Okay, so here is the best way on how to fix Samsung phone keeps ending calls automatically. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very easy on how you can fix it. Just go ahead and open up settings. Once you're inside settings, what you have to do is just scroll down and go to connections. And inside connections, if you see the option of Wi-Fi calling, just simply turn that option off. If you don't see it, it means that it's not there. But after that, you just gotta go to mobile networks, and right over here, you just gotta go to network operators, and make sure select automatically is turned on. Once this is done, you just gotta scroll back and you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of apps. Go ahead and press on apps. And right over here, you just gotta press on search option and you just gotta type in SIM toolkit. And if you got like dual SIM, you'll see two options. But I'll show you how it works. You just gotta press on SIM toolkit like this. And you just gotta scroll down. And right over here, you'll see the option of storage. Just go ahead and press on storage, and right over here first up you gotta press on clear cache and then clear data. Once you do this, you gotta go back and you gotta do same for your other SIM toolkit as well. Yeah, you just gotta press on zoom in this one right over here. You gotta clear cache for both. Once this is done, just gotta go back and go to general management. Just gotta scroll down until you see the option of reset. Just go and press on that, and you'll see the option of reset mobile network settings. So go ahead and press on that, and you just gotta press on reset settings. Once this is done, you're good to go and your problem will be fixed. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.